Okay, welcome to hindi ko na alam kung anong episode na ng Tinton Podcast, pero medyo mayabang yung attire natin ngayon and nakasombrero ako. So, ano yun, bad boy tayo konti. Um, I don't know, impromptu episode. I just had this feeling na I wanted to talk about something pero it's fleeting and bigla kasi siyang ano nun, nai-inspire lang ako bigla. Pero alam mo yung hindi ka naman talaga inspired. So, or, or, or nagpa-procrastinate ka. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sinet ko bigla yung camera and then I just wanted to talk and just put out some feelings. Um, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to say, but here's my thought. Ayan. I'm in the middle of parang state of confusion. Sa tingin ko, dinadala ako ni Lord on a journey where I'm in constantly parang araw-araw mo lang hinahanap yung gusto mo. Have you ever felt that way? Have you ever woke up and then you have time on your hands, or maybe ganito na lang, thought experiment. Paano pag paano pag meron kang paano pag na-freeze mo yung atmosphere mo and hindi man o basta parang nagkaroon ka na ng sarili mong instance sa mundo na meron kang isang oras to just do whatever you want. Okay? And you're not going to be affecting other people's lives. Or maybe you're just alone. Kumbaga, meron kang, what if binigyan ka ng opportunity to na ikaw lang yung mag-isa sa mundo and then you have 1 hour. And hindi ba apektuhan yung buhay mo sa normal world? A lot of times parang ganun yung ano ko, parang ganun yung feeling ko pag what am I doing? Parang if I have alam mo yung pagtapos ka na sa responsibilities mo and tapos ka na sa nag-clock out ka na sa trabaho mo and then um what's next? Kumbaga nakapaghugas ka na ng pinggan, um you sat down and talked with your partner, your wife, your husband, or uh played with your kids, and then you're left alone with itong bubble of time. I find myself being stuck there. And napupunta ako sa siguro coming back dun sa thought experiment no na what if nagkaroon ka ng isang oras na ikaw lang, what would you do? Ako um, feeling ko lang ano at this point in time, kasi I know already what I'm going to do siguro ng mga young adult life ko. I would just boot up my computer and play video games or watch TV or watch my favorite series. Or, yeah, yun lang. As in, okay, free time. boom, pew, 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 pew. But ngayon, I always find myself na okay, at this point in my life na okay, I have this free time, I have time to do my hobbies, I can learn something, pero parang I don't have the motivation to do it. So I just wala, I doom scroll or just stare at my phone and watch stuff, watch YouTube, and ano, doom scrolling basically. Um, yeah, and kaya siguro ako napapodcast bigla ngayon. Um, I, I'm actually, I do have quite a bit of time to myself, no, before I go to work and tend to my family. Pero what what am I doing? Ano, yun yung madalas kong, can you say struggle? O ang yabang mo ba pag sinasabi mo, hindi dahil sa attire ko ngayon kasi again, naka-impromptu podcast lang and I kinda felt like I wanted to say this. So, ngayon kasi parang ano eh, parang feeling ko lang I need to be responsible for something na, I don't know, just, hmm, parang, okay, you have 1 hour, okay? Parang napanood niyo na ba yung ano, yung kay Adam Sandler, yung laging may nakakalimot na may nililigawan siya na may short-term memory loss. Si Drew Barrymore. 51st Dates. Para kang, parang meron akong 51st dates with myself. Ano mo yun? Parang if I have time for myself, take myself on a date, I would always have parang a getting to know portion lagi. Do you get that? Nafi-feel mo ba yun? Nagkakaroon ka ba ng time na, okay, mag, makaka-date ko yung sarili ko. So, sino ikaw? Anong favorite mong gawin? Ano mo yan? uh, yeah, that's what I feel. I forget or lagi akong I'm all, I always find myself or parang lagi akong nag-i-introduce, paano ba to? Parang lagi akong nagpapakilala sa sarili ko. Hindi ko alam kung parang ang arte lang ba ng sinasabi ko, pero ganun lagi. Parang okay. What do I do? What do you do? Ano yung mga favorite mong gawin? Alam mo yun? Ano yung, sino ikaw? Anong pag Tuesday, ano yung favorite mong food? Alam mo yun? Kailan yung birthday mo? Or ilang taon ka na? Like always having to have that first date with you. And that's where I'm at right now. You would think na in 34 years of living, you would know yourself, no? Parang, um, well, again, kahit nga yung sinabi ko nga kanina na parang kilala ko yung sarili ko nung high school days. Kilala ko yung sarili ko nung college days. And given that 1 hour, um, I would know what I would need to do to take myself on a self date. And I guess the more older you get, or at least the more older I get, and um, parang slowly, you get introduced to another phase in your life. Parang nakalimutan mo na lahat yung dating ikaw, and then you have this new version of you na you have to take on a date na you need to get to know or try to have a relationship with. Ang narcissistic na ba? Am I leading into... Oh, my daughter's calling. Ayun lang. Very short episode.